can see it. We're going to now inflate the two bags. These will be inflated at 15 litres per minute. You can see already how easily the bags are inflating, and as soon as they form the seal, you'll find the smoke will stop coming out of each end. It'll take a bit of time because this one fills first. Now you've got the full seal. No smoke coming out, no smoke coming in. We're just going to keep on running the purge systems at 15 litres per minute, and as you can see, the smoke that we created is now being exhausted from the exhaust port at this end. Look how quickly the smoke is dissipated. You can then take our simple gas analyzer. If you want to, you can put the probe in here, though if you were welding, you'd put the probe in somewhere here, and you can easily watch how quickly the oxygen content, or in this case the smoke, is going down. The smoke pellet has now finished creating the smoke, and you will see how clear the tube is becoming. Oxygen level already down to 8%. Less than 5% oxygen. The argon is flowing out of the valve, which you can see comes preset. You can see the valve at the top end of the system. It's covered in a preset pink material, so the welder doesn't have to adjust anything. The luminous strip that you can see really nicely now centers the bag right at the weld point, and already you can see now how quickly the oxygen content has fallen. We're almost down to 1% now, and that's taken less than 3 minutes. Here it goes. There we go, less than 1%. And the device will keep on going down. What we've seen is most welders like to weld at about 0.5% oxygen, and most welding specs advise you to be doing things at about 0.5%. You can see now, as I say, in less than a few minutes we're down at the required oxygen level. And the welder can quite happily weld with a flow rate of 15, and you can see the bags totally working at that level. Here we go. There you are. And of course, depending on the purity of the argon, the device will keep on measuring below this. You can hear the argon gas being released from the exhaust port, and then once the weld has been completed, you can obviously regulate the argon flow to exactly as the welder wants. And as soon as the welding has finished, leave the bag for a few minutes, turn off the argon supply, disconnect the argon flow, the bags will deflate. See how quickly the bags deflate? There you go. Remove the system. Now, 6-inch pipe, 8-inch pipe. Same bag, same system. Easily connect. You can see plenty of space for the bag to move around. Plenty of time for you to be able to position the welding bag in the right position. Turn on the flow rate. Watch how this system that has now just come out of this pipe goes into there. You can see it easily moves. Within a few minutes, you've got a seal. If you look at the other side, the seal will be complete. Airtight seal formed. Welder can start welding again. Again, when the weld is finished, turn off argon supply, disconnect, leave the bag to deflate for 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure it's at its lowest point and cannot come in contact with any of the hot welded area. Remove from system. The new multi-size. 4 bags covering everything from 2 inches to 14 inches, easy quit system.